So if you are filling your UPSC form, and you can see for your photograph should be this type, a close face. You can see this one. You can see this one is not acceptable. All these are not acceptable. All these are with goggles not acceptable. Okay, even this type of let me show you. For example, this type of image people mostly use, this is also rejected. You can see rejected, accepted. This one needs close face, your close face, and rejected. This is the instruction, and you can see accepted, close face. Okay, background should be white, and your jpg file, and it should be in 22. Where is the instruction? Okay, I think 22 to 100 KB and in jpg format. That's all in this video.